Hi guys, it's Mila here. We just finished 3-day amazing training at the GoPro event. I can't even describe. It's really fulfillment. We learned lots of strategies, lots of tools. We met with wonderful people, and what I realized that all these people who've been into the industry for 20, 30, 40 years. They came from all over the world and they share their success stories, they share the strategies and practices which then we can implement in our business. But what I noticed? They talked a lot about industries which are being developed and marketed for so many years, majority of them from the healthcare industry. But what we have, it's very unique. And actually I always knew, but once I've been here and I talk to people, I actually realize how magnificent our opportunity is. No one ever done multi-level crowd investing. They have no idea what does it mean. And imagine what we can do with our product, with our people, with our impact to the world, and how we can make this place much more bigger. And I really wish to see you all next year, because this is the must event. So if you're treating this as your business, if you're an entrepreneur, if you want to reach all your goals, if you want to be successful in your life, then GoPro is the must. Thanks.
Yeah!